Hi, we're going to be making almond butter waffles today. These are the ingredients that we're going to need. First, you're going to start off with half a cup of butter that's softened, 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Let's add 1 3/4 cup of milk slowly as we stir. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs to our batter. I'm going to mix the eggs first before I add it into our mixture. Next we have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of baking powder into 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to pour it into the mixture. Please proceed to mix the batter until the consistency is nice and smooth. This is what it should look like, and now we're ready to make some waffles. Turn on your waffle maker and let's pour some batter in there. That looks about right. And close it, and we're going to cook it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, this is what you should get. It gets a little sticky sometimes. There you go. Here you have your almond butter waffles. Enjoy your meal. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Thank you.